I hope y'all don't fall. I'm sitting on my paper towel roll. I am soaking wet. Well, not soaking wet, but I'm wet. It's raining outside. I got the window open. It's like 60, so it's a little cold. Feeling good. I ain't complaining. And the game is fixing to come on. So, I'm making some buffalo chicken dip, which of course y'all have seen me make that so many times. And I'm gonna throw some of these sausage balls. If y'all have never had these, they're so good, in the oven. And Robert wanted some potato skins, so we're doing some of those. And I got this snack tray, the honey and ham, or honey ham with cheese and crackers. And I've been wanting sweet potato souffle or casserole, not with the marshmallows, but with like the pecans and stuff. So I found this at Food Line, and I want to give it a try sometime. It's still frozen, and I know it's better to make it homemade, but I didn't feel like doing like baking the sweet potatoes and scooping them out, which I will, like maybe for Thanksgiving, but for now I saw that, so I picked it up. So we'll have that maybe tomorrow, maybe. So I'm gonna get putting these on my pan over here. And I worked this morning, and then I went and picked up some shirts, a couple shirts I had a friend of mine make, t-shirts, so I'll have to show y'all those. And then we went and ate at IHOP for lunch. I didn't film, but I did take a couple pictures. And Robert got like a steak omelet. That thing was like that big. And then me and Brantley had some hash browns and sausage and bacon and pancake. And it come with eggs, but I didn't eat eggs. Brantley's in there complaining about something. Okay, so let me get this canned chicken drained so I can go ahead and get my buffalo chicken. I used just some Walmart. I went to Walmart, and they were out of a few things like I knew they were going to be. So I was like, why did I even bother coming here? I should have just went to Food Line from the get-go, which they're right across the street from each other, so that's what I did. But I was like, I should have just went there from the beginning. I do that to myself every single time, every time. But that's what we're doing. The game's fixing to start in 2 minutes. But, anywho's, all right, guys. So I went and picked up my hair is like soaking wet. I went and picked up my my Halloween sign that I won on Facebook, and I'll show you guys that as well. So here I'm going to go ahead and get this buffalo chicken dip together and get everything popped in the oven and get it cooked, and I'll show you guys everything when it's done. I just gave Brantley his little Halloween bag so he can go ahead and enjoy it now. Glow sticks. What's that one? Skeleton?
Yeah.
And
Monster.
Frankenstein?
No, monster.
Fortnite socks.
That's cool. Is this a last one? Hope it's not something scary. Fucking big. Batman.
What is it?
Batman sticky.
Yep. Little sticky mins. You like it? Yeah?
I really want to open these two.
You can.
I'm going to open this.
Alright. I know you can't see it very well, but I have this little pumpkin lit up on my back porch. And then that's the Halloween sign. Brantley, turn the back porch light on. Turn that back porch light on. And that is the sign that I got from winning it on Facebook. And then there's that. And then we have those pumpkins there. That mom's over there. Got that set up on the back porch. I just love that sign. What you guys think? Alright guys, I'm going to end this video here. Go over here where you can see me. I hope y'all have a great Saturday night, and I'll see you guys later. Bye guys. Don't forget to like.